Hey everybody, Adam with Front Range Storm Contractors here. Alright, so I've gone and installed all of the shingles, and what I've done is just installed them right over the hip, okay? All the way up. This is called the hip right here, where two sides meet, but they're still at a diagonal angle. If they're on the horizontal, like this very top right here, that's called a ridge. When they meet, when two sides meet and it's not on a horizontal, it's called a hip. Okay? So you just go ahead and shingle right over the hip, and then what you're going to do is you're going to trim those shingles down to the hip. So I've started up here. I've trimmed about half of it already, and it's really easy, especially when it's a little warmer like it is today. You just take your hooked blade here. Oh, my shadow's gonna be in the way, and you've kind of got a line right here where the hip is. You just trim it right down the edge. It doesn't have to be exact. You're gonna cover it up. You can see this is where it was trimmed before on the other edge. They didn't get all the way up to the edge. I'm getting all the way up to the edge. I don't know if you can see it right here, but my knife blade is touching the wood from this side right here. So I take it all the way up to the edge, trim it right to the edge. You know, maybe back a little bit if I were to actually be shingling this side also. And then later on I'm going to come back and put the ridge shingles over it, which is actually going to be, by the way, just some of these filled shingles cut down. So that's the next step in the process here, and I'll get back to you when it's time for our next step after this.